Hi, this is Manchinder here. I'm a fashion and portrait photographer. I'm always looking out for LED lights that help a photographer get creative in his projects and his photo shoots. I have got you all one of the most beautiful, I can say, and amazing compact RGB WW LED light. What I have here today is the Nanlite Litolite 5C. Now, this light is damn compact, it's damn small, and it's also powerful. So let's quickly get on to the unboxing of this light, and let me show you the features of this light and how great this light is and how it can help you get creative in your projects. The price range for this Litolite 5C is somewhat around 6,000 or 6,500 on the MRP side. You can get this light from Reliable Photo Store, and they will offer you a lot of discounts. They have a variety of lights, and if you like to buy this light, you all can head out to their Instagram page, that is Reliable Photo Store on Instagram, their website, and you can get good deals. The power output for this Litolite 5C is 5 watts. The battery capacity is 3.7 volt, 2400 milliamperes. That means this light can run on 100% brightness for about 1 hour to maybe 1.5 hours. But usually people do not use it up to 100% of brightness. We tend to keep the brightness somewhat around 75% on the maximum level. But कभी-कभी किसी शॉट के लिए आपको 100% brightness रखना पड़ता है. तो पावर आउटपुट जो इसका है 2400 milliamperes, लगभग आपको तकरीबन ये दे सकती है 1 से 1.5 घंटे का पावर आउटपुट. The CRI average rating is 97 and TLCI average is also 97. यानी कि the color rendering index and the color output is quite accurate. जो भी लाइट का CRI rating और TLCI rating 95 के ऊपर होता है, इसका मतलब है आपके कैमरेज को ये लाइट accuracy से आउटपुट देगी. Okay, so let's quickly start unboxing this and let me show you what all comes inside this box. I'm very excited to show you all how the light is and what all comes with this light, so you all can make a good decision whether this light is useful for you all and what all you get in the box. So here it is. This light comes in a lovely case like this. I think this case is really premium quality, and a photographer finds this very useful because at the end of the day, when you're carrying an LED light in a separate bag or a separate pouch like this, it becomes very handy to take it out and put it up in action rather than keeping it in your camera bag. It gets quite difficult. What we get inside this box more is you get your user manual. I always suggest you all please keep the manuals safe, because there will be a time when internet connectivity might be low and you might want to read all the instructions and you might not find it on any other source. So manuals usually have a lot of settings, functions and details of it. So let's start getting inside this. Let me see how this is. So this is getting recorded on the live session right now. This will be also uploaded to the IGTV, so you all can see this later on whenever you all wish to. So let me take out this light. Oh wow, it looks quite compact. It is quite beautiful. The reason I say it's beautiful because it's well built. It's made very nicely and I really like this. Okay, you all can see this. Yeah, the LEDs, there is no diffusion. The LEDs are quite openly visible. So what the company has done is they have given a graduated kind of a diffusion, bulb kind of a diffusion onto the LEDs. So you all can see this, the way it comes. All right. I'm sure the RGB LEDs are separate. They are CCD, your LEDs are separate. So, it doesn't get mixed up and gives you a quite good output whenever you all want. All right. So we have a mode button switch, plus and minus, a power on and a USB. So this is what we get on the light. And this is powered with the USB-C plug. So you all can power it and still use it whenever you're on the go. Let's see what else we get inside this. We get, I think we have a diffusion, yes. Here we are. This is a very, very neatly built diffusion, and I think we have a USB-C. This is a USB-C cord. It's more about a meter long, so I think it will be quite useful. Do we have anything else in the bag? No, that's all. So this is what we get, and That's how this thing goes on to the light. As you all can see, wow, it fits well. So this is how the light looks like. You all can see the LEDs. There are separate LEDs for RGB. There are separate LEDs for your CCT mode. That means the color accuracy will be on point and will not get mixed with your normal LED output. So the build quality of this light is quite beautifully done. What I can see, we have a 1/4 inch thread over here. That's the only one threading that has been provided. So I think you can only put this light this way. But this light also has a magnetic field at the back. That means you can easily put this against any kind of a magnetic object. यानी कि आप metal वाले object पे भी लगा सकते हैं इसे, and this will hold quite well. The power, I assume, of this magnet is adequate enough to hold this and the diffusion on top. That will not have too much of weight on it. So let's quickly turn this on and let's see how it performs. You have to hold the button for a second, Nanlite logo, and the light gets on. Now right now what we can see is it is on the CCT mode, okay, and the dimming process is on 25%. You can increase and decrease however you all want. Let's see the CCT mode over here. We will increase this. Now this light technically has 2700 Kelvin. As you all can see right now, this is 2700 Kelvin. Okay, and what you're seeing right now is at 25% of brightness. Now from 2700, the range goes up to nearly 7500 Kelvin. So you get a wide range of the warm light to the cool tint at the same range. So when you're shooting a video shoot, the shift of green and magenta is really needed, because the accuracy of matching this light with your ambient light is really needed and is really important. Okay, so right now let's go and check out the other modes of it. What we have over here is hue saturation mode. Now we get the entire 360 of a circle. Let me shift this and show it to you all. There we go. We are right now switching this to 100%. Okay, the brightness, what I've done is to 100%, so you all can see this. And let's turn the cycle. Let's let the light roll up to 360 mode here. So this was the hue loop. Now let's change the modes. This is the CCT loop. यानी कि it will change from warm to the cooler light, and you all can do the same way. If you all want to speed this up, there's a separate setting given if you all want to change the timing of this and also the saturation level. Let's check the other mode. This is the interloop. So interloop usually shuffles with the warm and cooler tint, pushing it in like mostly like a flicker kind of a light. Let's check the next one. This is the CCT flash. So if you all want it to be like a flashing light, you all can keep this on CCT flash. This is hue flash, यानी कि आप अगर चाहते हैं कि कोई specific color की flash तैयार करें shot के लिए, तो आप इसमें कर सकते हैं. And you have also the hue cycle mode in this, which you can get it to a desired color and use the flash. This is the CCT pulse mode. I mean, I'm really impressed with the kind of features you all have in this. This is the hue pulse. This is the storm mode, यानी कि आप एक storm की जो lighting है, window lighting, उसको replicate कर सकते हैं, और इस speed से इसके अंदर ये preset करके दिया हुआ है, but आप इसकी settings फिर से change कर सकते हैं. This is the police car. Everyone loves this feature, right? We have next is the TV mode. यानी कि अगर आप एक TV का जो सीन है उसे replicate कर रहे हैं, तो उस तरीके से ये लाइट बिहेव करेगी, यानी कि ऐसे लगेगा कैमरे में कि आप एक टीवी देख रहे हो. इन मोड्स को यूज़ करने के वक्त आपको जो लाइट है कैमरे के साइड में रखनी पड़ती है एंड अवे फ्रॉम द फ्रेम, ताकि उसका जो इफेक्ट है आपके सब्जेक्ट पे या डिज़ायर्ड आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है उसके ऊपर आ सकता है. लेट्स चेक द नेक्स्ट मोड, paparazzi. We have the candle, or you all can name it as fire. इसकी जो brightness है इस वक्त 25 पे है. Let me show you how the LEDs are behaving right now. This way you all can see it. Let's check the next mode. This is the disco mode where the RGB LEDs will go into changing color cycle this way. So all the colors will shuffle and create a disco kind of a lighting. Bad bulb हम काफ़ी सारे हॉलीवुड सीन्स में देखते हैं, कभी पार्किंग लॉट का बल्ब बैग हो जाता है, यानी कि ख़राब बल्ब का जो लाइटिंग इफेक्ट है, फ्लिकर इफेक्ट है, ये वो रेप्लिकेट कर देता है. So I think a small light like this, which has tons of feature, it's really amazing how they have done this. And right now we are at firework. Explosion. Now the explosion usually takes a bit of time, but you all can again speed it up as desired for your shot. The next is welding. यानी कि अगर आप एक welding replicate करना चाहते हैं तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. There are tons and tons of modes in this. I'm really happy to see so many modes in it. I've never seen in any lights. So as I can see that there are plenty of modes given in this light, and it is very useful for a photographer as well as a videographer. If you're a cinematographer, you all can get this light. This light is quite compact and can be kept anywhere. Trust me, you all can put this in the car, you all can put this over your camera as well, you all can put this on a metal object क्योंकि इसको पीछे जो है magnetic surface दिया गया है, and the magnet is quite powerful also. The light does not heat up. The most important part of this light is अगर आप इसे 25 से 50% brightness तक भी continuously use करते हैं तो इतना heat up नहीं होगी. But if you're going to use this at 100%, slightly थोड़ा सा गर्म हो सकता है, but the light has been made with quite good ventilation given over here, so काफ़ी air breathing हो सकती है, which will maintain its temperature level. And right now I'm going to quickly increase the brightness to about 100% and show you all how bright this light gets. So right now the CCD mode is at 7500 Kelvin and the brightness is at 100%, as you can see. Let me quickly change this to about 2700 Kelvin and show you all how warm this light gets at 100%. So here we are changing it to about 2700. It's quite warm. You all can use this kind of a sun kind of an effect in your pictures or in your video mode. तो आप दोनों तरफ देख सकते हैं. मेरे पीछे जो बल्ब लगा हुआ है that is somewhere around 4800 Kelvin and this is around 2700 Kelvin at 100% brightness. मैं आंखें भी नहीं खोल सकता, ये इतनी bright है इस वक्त. Okay, I'm going to decrease this back to about 25%. I would suggest you all to always use any kind of an LED light up to 75% of the brightness and not at 100%, because when you use a light at 100% of brightness, the power capacity or the battery output can get a little drained out, and if you are going to use it for a longer time, it's always suggested that you give another power source. यानी कि आप एक power bank के द्वारा भी इस light को power दे सकते हैं. So that's why the USB has been given to it, and this light takes about 2 to 3 hours of charging from 0 to 100%. मैं usually अपने lights को कभी भी 0% तक आने नहीं देता हूँ. Usually whenever they are at about 25 to 35%, I put them on charging, but I do not completely drain out the batteries because it's not good for the batteries at all. I'm going to put on the diffuser and show you all how soft the light gets with this help of this diffuser. So this is how you put it on. It goes on very easily. Okay. Right now we are at 25% of brightness. Let me increase this 25% to about 50. There you go, 52,700 Kelvin. There you all can see. The light is really soft. The diffuser is made of a silicone material and it is really diffusing the light and giving me a very, very beautiful, subtle, soft light, as you all can see. So this light has a small screen at the back of it, which gives you good amount of information. It gives you information about which mode you're in. It gives you information about the battery also. That means how long can the battery last up to the current setting. यानी कि अगर आप इसकी dimming process जो है, जो brightness अगर बढ़ाते हैं या dim करते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से आपको ये बैटरी कितने देर तक चलेगी ये information भी provide करती है. I think this feature is quite useful because sometimes when you're using this at at minimal brightness, the battery is going to last for a longer time, and it's going to give you the accurate information whether this battery will last for about 3 hours, 5 hours, or even 10 hours. If you're somebody who is wanting to invest in your first RGB light, I think this light is meant for you. It's compact, it's powerful, it's loaded with a lot of features. And one more thing, this light, you will get a firmware update on the Nanlite website, so you can update the firmware whenever the manufacturer releases it, and you can stay updated with the latest firmwares and software for this light. And I think Nanlite provides software updates and firmware updates for majority of their products, so you can stay updated. So I hope you all enjoyed this review, and if there is anything more, please do send me a DM. Make sure that you all like, comment, and share this video. Also guys, I'm going to come back with more reviews of the products that I've been using, so you all can take a look at what all things I use in my photography, and I'm going to share this with you all with the next live session. Thank you so much for joining me for this live, guys. This is Manchande signing off.